The recipe I'm going to share with you today is Specklebelly Goose. We're going to show you how we're going to prep it, how we're going to season it, how we cook it on the Traeger grill, and how we can present it. It's a really good, flavorful goose, and if you've never tried it, you need to try it if you get the opportunity. So come on, let's get in the kitchen so we can start prepping so we can get ready to start cooking. So meet you in the kitchen. So what we've done, again, this is what we killed last year harvesting wild birds out there in Arkansas to their goose hunt. Like any other thing else we do wild game, we want to marinate it. We'll take the gaminess out of it and kind of help break down the texture in there, get a little more softer, tender taste. You don't have to do a whole lot with it, but we're going to still marinate it in buttermilk. So again, take a Ziploc bag. I'm going to take the whole goose, put it in a Ziploc bag, set a plate to the side. Then I'm going to just come in here and just fill it full of buttermilk. We get down to the cavity. It's kind of what we're looking for to get all over it and do it. Now we're going, like I said, anytime I'm doing a Ziploc bag marinate it, I'm going to start and then try to get the air out of it best I can. And I'm going to turn it over and just get it all into the meat. So let's get this refrigerator. Do that in a little while, show you what else we're going to do to it. So what we've done here, we took the Specklebelly Goose, we rinsed the buttermilk off of it after it's been marinated for 24 hours. Now I'm getting ready to add it to another bag and add my other marinade to it and let it marinate for another 4 hours, and then we'll get it seasoned and put it on a smoker. The whole purpose of this is to get the flavor down into the meat. The buttermilk was to take the gaminess out of it. This is to put flavor back into it. All right, so let's get started. Now, we got 4 ounces of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar in the raw, 1 tablespoon of dried onions, 2 tablespoons of peppercorn, and then we're gonna have water. We're gonna add it till we cover the bird. All right, so that was 2. Now another 2. We're gonna let it marinate for 4 hours. We're gonna take it and keep flipping it and rotate it over, mixing it up very well. So as you can see, we've taken the Specklebelly Goose out of the marinade. We put it in this third pan. We add a little bit of our marinade at the bottom of it to get some moisture while it's cooking. We're gonna put this in the Traeger grill for about 300 degrees and cook it till we get a medium to medium rare temperature. That's what we're looking for with this. Now we're gonna add some rubs to the outside of it. It's time we get the color and add some flavor in there. We wanna make sure, we're gonna leave it time for it to bind to the meat. The moisture in the meat that's in there with the marinade stuff, so when it's bleeding out, that's when we bind these rubs really good to the meat. I don't necessarily care about the backside. I'm just interested kind of in the breast meat and the legs right now. So we're gonna take this and start putting some rub on it. And the first rub we got is birds and bones, the slabs, birds and bones, stecky style. The next rub I've gotten is gonna be Heath Ryle's cherry rub. I'm going a little heavy with this because I want the color. It's going to help you give that holiday color looking for. Now we're going to let this set, return to the refrigerator, let it set for about 10 minutes, and then we'll put it on the Traeger grill. And we'll be ready to start cooking. So now we got the Specklebelly, brought it inside. We add a little bit of maple syrup to it. Just drizzle it on a little bit. Take a brush and just kind of brush it in. So this is Specklebelly cooked elite barbecue smoker style on Traeger grill. As you've seen, we took the Specklebelly, we marinated in buttermilk for 24 hours in the refrigerator. We took it back out, we made a second marinade. We marinated it for another 4 hours. Then we took it back out and rinsed it off, added rubs to it. Slabs, birds and bones, Steffi style, along with Heath Ryle's cherry rub. We put that in there, put it on the smoker for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Got it in turn temperature around 127, 135 degrees. We took it out, brought it inside. We covered it with maple syrup, kind of put it in a nice warm spot and let it rest. Brought it out and sliced it. We're trying to do a holiday style wild game, and that's what this is. So now we're gonna taste it and see what we got. You taste the sweetness of it, no game to it. Specklebelly is one of the most flavorful gooses there is. It's amazing. It truly is amazing. So as you can see, this has got some awesome flavor to it. Left the skin on there, we got the fat got down to the meat. The rubs took all wild gameness out of it. It's got a depth flavor to it, something that I would really, truly always want to get. So try this at home. If you go out there wild game hunting, go out to Arkansas on Deck Outfitters, the boys done a good job for us. Take it and try this recipe and get it. Specklebelly is a really good goose to do. If you like our video, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell down at the bottom to notify videos when they come out on a weekly basis. Gain comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Please, we'd love to hear from you. We answer as soon as we can. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Again, we'd love to interact with you. But now it's time to go eat. This is good. You need to try this out. Again, thank you very much for watching the videos. We greatly appreciate it.